Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
The final portion of Assistant U.S. Attorney Laura Zambataro's direct examination on confidential informant Brenda Kinnian detailed public and police officials' corruption and involvement with drugs on Guam. Zambataro questioned Kinnian regarding an uncontrolled meeting that occurred at the doorsteps of her home. Allegedly, a Guam Police Department officer approached Kinnian and threatened her. Kinnian testified, "He told me not to get the mayor in trouble because he is from Guam and I am not from this island. I felt like I was not safe." Kinnian immediately reported the January 2019 incident to the feds, and they moved her off island. Kinnian is currently under FBI protection. Defense counsel Joseph Rosano objected to the testimony, arguing that it should be stricken from the record because it's not related to the offense his client pled guilty to. The government refuted the testimony represents the state of affairs in both Jotnya and the entire island, stating, quote, "The mayor's power and influence in Jotnya, the police are on his side," unquote. The court ultimately sided with the defense. However, the prior controlled phone calls and arrangement meetings between former Yona Mayor Jesse Blas and Kinnian that were played back were permitted by the court to remain on record. The 2-day-long testimony detailed the drug-related bribes Blas pled guilty to. In September 2019, he was taken into custody for permitting drug trafficking through village mailboxes in exchange for a profit. He pled guilty to 1 count of extortion and faces a maximum imprisonment term of 20 years. Kinnian posed as a drug trafficker from November 2018 to January 2019. The conversations between Blas and Kinnian include discussions regarding the drugs ice, cocaine, and crack to come in from the state's in Jotnya mailboxes. On November 18th, 2018, Blas made an agreement with Kinnian, who was undercover for the feds, to have a mailbox in exchange for money. Kinnian testified that in one instance, Blas told her that to open a second mailbox, it would cost $15,000. And in another instance, he told her he won't reopen the mailbox unless she gave him $8,000. Attorney Rosano's cross-examination on Kinnian will begin on Tuesday, January 12th at 10:30 a.m. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.